welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the last few videos I've been putting out. I have enjoyed all the interaction I've been having with you guys, so thank you very much for that. Today isn't really a video of anything of excitement, it's just getting a few odd jobs done. First of all, bit of maintenance on the Audi. That needs a little bit of love, so I'm gonna get that done. Then get a few more bits on the van done and possibly show you a few of the bits I've ordered, which actually arrived a lot quicker than I thought. So look forward to that at the end of the video. One of the things I have bought, impact gun. Hopefully you guys know why I bought that. Hopefully the weather's going to allow me to do it. But I am going to test it on the wheels. Check how good it is. So that's quite cool. Got me a few other random tools I'm going to get, but I'm going to get on with the Audi first, and then we'll get into actually what this video is about. So see you in a sec. Oh, right, well, I've done that. Sorry for the weird intro. Just wanted to get that lot done. I thought it was going to snow. It just is bloody cold. But that's done. I had to change the brakes, sort some sensors out. The wires are coming out of them, out of the connectors. There's just crap. And something else. That's all done, dusted. Now it's van time. Also, I did buy this impact wrench. I don't know what to make of it. It was an eBay. It's not a branded thing. It's a Chinese knockoff. Hold my reservations. I'm not going to be putting a link to this anywhere because if I don't like it, what's the point in telling you to buy one? But this bad boy, I will put a link to this down in the description down below because I love this thing. I think it was like 30 quid delivered. Wish I bought one ages ago. It's awesome. But there's that. Next we have, I have an oil seal for my oil cooler because I think that's where my oil leak's coming from. So I bought the seal for it. Hopefully this gets rid of it, because I want to get rid of my under tray so that I can get a little bit lower, and that's already starting to scrape on the speed bumps near me. So hopefully this fixes it and I don't have to keep filling my van up with oil and I don't leave little rainbows everywhere. I have already opened this, as you can see, but DRLs, I've had these fitted to my van loads. I think this is the third set. They keep breaking. Something to do with the wiring. It does look shoddy at best. I think I've had 3 sets in 2 years, so it's not too bad. They're only like a £5 as well, so I don't mind replacing them because it is cheap and they look awesome. So I need to get that done. I have made it in such a way that I should be able to put these on in about 5 minutes. Just put a couple of push connectory jobbies at the end. So oh, this is going to be its own standalone video because it deserves it. But if you know, you know. Really like a keyring, by the way. But yeah, been meaning to get these for a while. But that's its own video. We will leave them for later. And last but not least, 4-inch Falconers. These are used. I bought them off a friend of mine on Instagram, Sam. I mean, Sam, your van is stunning. Fair play. He was running these for a while and wanted a bit more ground clearance, so got rid of them and left him in his shed. I asked him how much he wanted. He told me. I paid him and they're here. Absolutely brilliant price. I mean, just for the price alone, I couldn't really say no. But these are 4-inch Falconers and they're going on my van. Hopefully my tyres are going to work with these, but time will tell. Want to get new wheels anyway. That's another video. So we're going to get these fitted, going to get that fitted, and life is going to be golden. So I want to show you. This is how my van sits on 5s. Got a little bit of room up there. Yes, I need to get new arches. In the summer I'm cutting all this out. Shh. But we have got a little bit of room there. Hopefully that's enough. We will find out the hard way. Here's the other side. Yes, I've lost my centre cap. So hopefully they'll fit. Well, they will fit. I just don't know how well. So I'm going to get on a few bits. I'll probably get back to you once this is in the air and we're swapping them around, so see you in a sec. Gotta say, before we get too far into it, these straps are awesome. Fair play. Absolute brilliant. Right, we need to get them out. Also, while I'm under it, I need to secure my diesel heater exhaust a bit better because it bangs. But get these straps off, put the fours in. Boom! If you are running anything not standard, get those straps. They're brilliant. When you do jack the vehicle up, you don't have to worry about the spring falling out. Absolutely amazing. I love them. Anyway, I'm going to get all this little part of it better. Get these fours in. Well, I did put you on a time lapse, but I might as well not bother because it took me all of 2 minutes. That ratchet is amazing. Big thumbs up. But we now have some very small springs to put in. Look at that. 5s, 4s. Look at the height difference. It's about to say I'm a little bit nervous. Screw it. Just put them in. Now, what I do have to say is if you are running 4s, you do have to, what am I doing? If you are going to run 4s, there's a few things you are going to have to do first. I've relocated my shock, give it a better angle. I have cut my bump stop pretty much, well, that's as far down as I can get it. I cannot cut any more off. You do have to relocate the brake line, and people do say you need to notch. I'm going to try and do it without doing any of that. You will have to run straps though. I have heard people that apparently it's snowing and the spring has fallen out, so just run the straps. There, dirt cheap, and it's a good peace of mind. Just for test fitting purposes, I'm not going to bother sorting out. Look at that. I'm not going to bother putting the strap back on, it just needs to adjust it. But for now, I'm not going to bother. Jack this up to where it needs to be. Jesus Christ. She's going to be low. Try and give you a good enough angle. Oh, I like that. Now we are going to have to pull these arches out. Like I said, they're all crusty anyway, so I'm not asked. When I go back underneath to tighten that up and make sure it's all where it should be, I will pull the arches because these tight, definitely rubbing. Man, that's a look. Look at that look. Wow, I'm impressed. So if you're on 18s, you can fit 4s. So pleased about this. I'm going to go get the other side done. Oh, it's cold. I'm going to get this lot all done. I'm going to get the other side done. I'm going to get the straps all tightened up. Do a few more of the bits afterwards. And then we can actually see what it's like and take a little drive. And then can attack the front. Right, anyway, I'm going to get this done. I'm far too excited. Well, it's a few hours later. Had some food. And she's low. Definitely need to do some modifications. I did try and hammer out my arches, and as you can probably see, got a nice little rust hole there. And I did go on a little test run. Ever so slightly started gouging the wheel. So I am speaking to Marcus at the minute. If you don't know Marcus, he has an absolutely slammed van that he actually lives in. He's got the wheel arch covers on, and yeah, I'm talking to him in a minute, seeing which ones he's got, because I'm going to cut my arches out, put those covers on. I think it look quite cool anyway. Give me that little bit more clearance. So I am going to be putting the 5s back on. Now I have adjusted the straps to work with this. So I'll just put all that back together again, get those ordered up, cut the arches, run the 4s. That's the look. The front needs to come down a bit more, but that's the look. That looks stunning. So I'm going to get this back on 5s. Just wish I could leave the 4s on really, but I'm going to end up cutting the wheels up. So that's a bit of a pain in the ass. I need to stop looking at that. Oh, I wish I could keep them on, but I just can't. I'm going to gouge the hell out of my wheels. And it's not worth it. They're brand spanking new tyres. So as much as I'd love to, getting these back onto 5s, get them ordered up. This thing looks stunning being low with a nice little tuck on the rear. But there we go, is what it is. Pleased I did it and absolutely love it. That's going to be the next video. If you think you know what that is, put it in that comment section below. That's going to help. And, sorry, I had to move a van. I'm currently parked in the lane. And my neighbour wanted to come back. So I had to move for my neighbour. That is actually quite good. I just don't quite think it's quite got the power it says it has. That is just stunning. I am very pleased with these 4-inch Falconers. I just need to make them fit a bit better, but keep them ready, get the arches cut. I'm going to get gone, stop jibber jabbering because it's freezing. Hopefully I'm going to start filming a little bit more often. Like I said, I've got that to fit, I've got that oil leak that I need to do. I've got a fair few things I need to get done, so I'm just going to keep filming as I go. Show you guys what I get up to. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for interacting. I absolutely love all of your comments, but I'm cold. I want to go back in, so I'm going to get this done and I will catch you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. As always, if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.